Here I have XIAOMI Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then just like when you're in a normal photo mode, hold down shutter button. But no, firstly you have to set this up by going to 3 stripes, then go to settings, and here you have press and hold shutter button. Instead of record video, select burst shot, and now let's try to make it. So you just hold shutter button and the burst shot will start. Right now I took like 18 shots, I guess. Here you can review them all and pick the one that fits you best, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.